Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the amplifier's rated power and the speaker's impedance so you don't overload anything. Once done, keep the amp powered off and route quality speaker cables to the proper L and R terminals. Tighten binding posts securely. Make the source connection using RCA or XLR. Set the amp's input selector to your source and return all tone controls to neutral. Finally, leave the main volume at 0 so you can safely power up for the next steps. You power the amplifier on and give it a minute or two to initialize protection circuitry and stabilize. Once warm, play a familiar test track at a conservative level and slowly raise the volume from 0 until you reach listening level. Adjust the input gain so you have headroom without clipping. Use the balance control for stereo centering and engage any crossover or bass management only if required. Make sure signal LEDs or meters never hit red. This prevents distortion and protects speakers. You finish by doing a critical listening sweep across low, mid, and high content while moving around the room to detect imbalances, then make small tone or subwoofer level adjustments. Once satisfied, tidy and secure cables, confirm speaker placement, and ensure a good earth connection to eliminate hum. If something goes wrong, mute and power cycle the amp before troubleshooting. Check fuses, swap interconnects, and speaker leads. Verify speaker impedance and amplifier clipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.